Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to quit a race while you are playing with the Asphalt 9 application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then go to your home page and tap on the play button. So first of all, you should select a game or a race in which you would like to participate, and tap on the next button down below. Select your car and then tap on play down below in the right side corner of the screen. After that, you need to wait till the game loads in, and then you will be able to start playing with the game. And then I will show you how to quit it if you want to stop it for some reason. So if you want to quit it, just simply tap on this button in the upper left corner of the screen. Then click on Quit Race in the game menu section in the right side column. That's the last option. So if you tap on it, you will be able to quit the game, and you will be directed to your home page. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.